sensing your body and your mind. SANYO's unique sensor technology detects stress and stiffness based on pulse and physiological response to give you an incredible massage. The SANYO DR8700, a massage lounger that senses both body and mind. The DR8700 uses a stress sensor and a stiffness sensor to create an incredible massage experience. Select the full auto course, then input your age. Grip the stress sensor with both hands to measure your pulse and to determine your stress level. The stiffness sensor detects variations in physiological response when the massage rollers contact your body to determine the amount of stiffness. The monitor then displays the results. If you have high stress, the parasympathetic nervous system is stimulated with a gentle massage. For high stiffness, the sympathetic nervous system is stimulated with a stronger massage. Each time you use the massage lounger, you get the massage you need, refreshing both body and mind. SANYO's advanced sensor technology comes with a best position function, ensuring the ideal positions for a relaxing massage. Press the best position button, and the seat tilts 30 degrees, together with the backrest and footrest, into a relaxing natural posture. The lower back area fits snugly with firm support for maximum comfort. As the massage rollers move forward, your body is pushed upward for a more effective massage. The newly designed leg section, with an expanded leg extension of 21 centimeters, comfortably accommodates different physiques and leg lengths for a thorough massage from your soles to your calves. Press the best position button again, and the footrest rises almost horizontal to promote healthful blood circulation to the legs. A sole heater warms the soles of your feet, and undulating sole shiatsu provides more effective massage. Together with air massage for your thighs and lower back comes a feeling of deep relaxation. A new addition is Best Position 3. The footrest rises even further, increasing the load from the thighs to the back for comfortable stretching. The airbags securely hold your legs as the footrest moves slowly up and down. A rolling massage is applied to your back for an effective stretching action. Technological innovation in pursuit of the ideal massage. Unique sensor technology, comfortable kneading massage, a best position function, continuous technological evolution for maximum comfort. The SANYO DR8700 Massage Lounger. New technology for a new level of comfort and relaxation.